Hello everyone, welcome to Nerd Goblin Art. I'm Lula. We're gonna have a little video on some fluid art. I've been having a good old play and then I decided, you know what, let's get the camera out. You can see from my mat I've already been having a little indulgence with it and I really enjoyed, so I hope that you do as well. So I've put down a pillow and I'm using a wooden round. Now I found these on Amazon and I will link them down below. I think they're perfect, especially if you were just starting out, just like I am. It is a very enjoyable medium, and what I love about it as well is that I'm using my silicone mat, and after I've finished with whatever I'm using, like this wooden board, I will stretch out any paint that's on my silicone mat and I'll let that dry. And I've been using it in other things like jewelry and magnets and stuff like that. So there's no waste, and that's something important. Before I started trying this out for myself and really watching other fluid art artists, I thought it was a waste of paint. I wasn't really taking in, I hadn't actually seen really good artists and it just looked like waste to me. But on YouTube, there are some absolutely amazing artists. I guess a lot of people did try taking it up, like during lockdown and stuff, and they were just doing it at their kitchen tables for something to do, but didn't actually really understand it. And that's what I saw, like on Facebook and stuff. So I'm using a titanium white pillow and I've mixed in the Liquid-X pouring medium. It's important to note that that particular medium does contain a little bit of the silicone, so it's going to give you some form of cells. It's up to you with adding the extra like silicone oil. And I use, at the moment I'm using Pebeo, which was recommended to me. I'm also adding in the blues today, mainly blues, and then a last little touch with this tealy green. And I've added some non-sync green glitter from Into Resin, and I've added a fair amount to it just to give me a little bit of a sparkle. And I decided just to play as I'm doing, so I'm going to play you some music. I'm not talking during this time, so please enjoy the process.
Alarm rings early, heart feels heavy, same four walls, same old worry. Pull on my jacket, keys in my hand, tell my reflection, today I'll take a stand. I'm on the bright side of the fight, even when the sky looks dark as night. I keep walking till I find that little stripe of light. Yeah, I fall down but I rise, wipe the storm out of my eyes. I keep searching for the days that finally feel like sunrise. Bus seat shaking, phone screen glowing, bad news headlines say the world's exploding, but there's a stranger smiling my way. Tiny reminder, hope still away. I'm on the bright side of the fight, even when the sky looks dark as night. I keep walking till I find that little stripe of light. Yeah, I fall down but I rise, wipe the storm out of my eyes. I keep searching for the days that finally feel like sunrise. Some days it's one deep breath, some days it's one small step, but I'm still here. Every scar, every tear draws a map that leads me near to that clear, white atmosphere. On the bright side of the fight, even when the sky stripe on the floor, heart racing in the quiet like it's heard this all before. Name the things around you, old chair, blue cup. You're here, you're safe, that's already enough. Remember to breathe in, out, slowly and never alone. You're right where you should be, let the fear roll through like a wave to the shore. Feel everything, feel it and let it go, let it go. Yeah, just remember to breathe. Talk out loud in the kitchen, say what hurts by name. I'm scared of what I can't see. Say it once it starts to change. Hand flat on your heartbeat, feet flat on the ground. You're shaking, you're standing, both truths can hang around. Remember to breathe in, out, slowly, you're never alone. You're right where you should be, let the fear roll through like a wave to the shore. Feel everything, feel it, let it go, let it go. Just remember to breathe. Ooh, yeah, yeah. It's okay to tremble, it's okay to cry. Oh, you can tell your story, you don't have to hide. Every little shiver doesn't mean you'll break. You're here, you're here, that's all it takes. Remember to breathe in, out, slowly, you're never alone. You're right where you should be, let the fear roll through like a wave to the shore. Feel everything, feel it, let it go, let it go. You'll be okay, you'll see. Just remember to breathe.
Thank you so much to my members. So this is the dried version, and I added, as you could see, a Mars Black with activator in it, and it really opened it up, and I hope you enjoyed. That was my first proper attempt at creating some form of swipes, and I think it turned out really great. So much so I did a little one as well. Look at that. These are going to be probably given a top coat of some epoxy resin in the next couple of weeks, but I'm in love, and you could see me playing with the paint on the mat as well, and I'm really looking forward to using that in an upcoming project, so watch this space on that. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you're inspired, and I hope you enjoyed the music. Love you, and stay weird.
Hands smeared with resin, ghosts in the air, clay creatures creeping from her lair, paint drips like rain, spells on the floor, frogs and crocs born from her core. Whimsy sparks where the shadows crawl, tiny worlds that tower tall. She molds the chaos, bends the fight, a goblin's touch turns dark to light. Nerd goblin crafting dreams tonight, risen rivers glow in the moonlight, clay whispers secrets from her hand. She built a world you'll never understand. Her frogs leap with a sly little grin,